The FAIM conference is a specific conference on flexible automation and integrating manufacturing that is focused on different areas such as digital twin, advanced robotics, Industry 5.0 topics. This year we decided to give a focus on human-machine interaction, urban logistics, to pay attention about also digital twin, AI, and intelligent manufacturing, and so on. It was a very interesting conference. We received about 200 participants, and it was for us a great honor to have them despite the weather. We spent great time together, and I think that we are now like a family, and it will help us to prepare future collaboration between entities, between research, and also to organize different colloques or seminar for students, PhD students, for improving their research. I would like to thank all participants that decided to come to Icam Grand Paris Sud and to stay there for working on different research areas. I hope that this will serve for your research. I hope you will spend great time in France, mainly in Grand Paris Sud. I hope the gala dinner in the boat around Paris for discovering the monument of Paris will be a great event, a great moment for you. I know that we work hard to give to all of you the best organization for these 4 days. I hope, despite the weather, that we succeed. I would mainly congratulate Nathalie, Anne-Sophie, Koku, Zaina, Pierre-Hugo, etc. I can say it, all people, all on this side. We try to give our best for you. I hope you will enjoy. Thank you.